Hi guys, I'm back. Today I would like to explicate some major issues which we are facing in this world. The question arises mostly that Eastern people, they're not happy in their country. The level of amusement is so less. The level of entertainment is so less. The level of opportunities is so less. The level of grooming is so less. So we're saying that we have to move towards Gulf countries or Western countries or European countries. For this purpose, they apply everywhere in this world. They want to acquire or avail the chance. They want to make their destiny. So some of students ask question from me, if we change our country and go to another country, so will we be happy? The level of our happiness, the level of prosperity, will it increase or decrease? Here I want to tell you about this is an illusion. This is a delusion. This is a mirage. Let me give you an example. From far away in desert, you see the water. Actually, that is not water. It is actually the reflection of the sand. When the sun rays hit to the sand, it creates glitterness, sparkness, or brightness, shyness. So you see that there's a water, but actually it's not a water, it's an illusion. I want to tell you the two aspects, good and bad both, right and wrong also, positive and negative also, constructive and destructive also. I will also show you the benefits and hazards. So first hazard I want to tell you, when you go to the abroad, the first thing which you meet is homesickness. You will become isolated from the society. You will enter in isolation. And being an individual, obviously, it will impact so bad on your health, so bad on your brain, so bad on your mind, so bad on your entire body. So for this purpose, I want to tell you that homesickness, nostalgia will take place in your personality. And you will feel yourself nostalgic. And this is what you can enter into the world of depression, tension, and anxiety. Although you will earn money, but it's not also a surety that you're earning a lot of money. You can earn, but you will fulfill the basic expenditures of accommodation, traveling, eating, and as well as different brands, different utilities, and different things which you face in that particular country. So one hand they are giving you, and second hand the lot of taxes, lot of things which you are purchasing, so you will give or you will return back that money which they give you. So it will be the balance, means less earning will take place for you. But if you are in your country, you can earn the same money, same problems, same tension, same frustrations you will face. But the thing is this, that you are thinking that I'm in my own country. You can also learn a lot of things. I have to give you example of mine. I learn knowledge not from the other worlds, from not the West. I learned the knowledge I made myself by sitting into the jungle, into the forest. If you see about the mentor or Sufi or Darwish, he doesn't go to the Western society for learning something. Things reveal on him, and he tells to the people. Even Western people ask questions from him. Even West part of the world's people who are carrying a lot of latest technology and data and knowledge and education, they're also asking questions from that person who is totally disconnected from the world of modernism, but still he has the answer. That's the revelation, and that I call the intuitions. This is the power of your brain. When your brain is so powerful, so you just give the answer so very quickly. So automatically the God is merciful on your brain, and He gives you the solutions, the ideas, the answers of hidden questions. So that's why I want to tell you that improvement is not a way that you will improve in only West. You can make yourself improve by living in your area. You can improve yourself into the mountainous area. You're living into the mountains. You're living in a village, you're living in a suburban area, you're living into the city, you're living into the other areas where there's a less opportunities, but still it's based on your thinking, it's based on your mind, on your brain, on your positivity. 10 years back, once I told my student, they were sitting in class, I mentioned, how strange is this? A person who travels all over the world, he goes here and there, and he is just spreading the hatred, he's just spreading the jealousy, so he has no place anywhere. For example, he traveled to the Western world. By his bad attitude, the people will not feel comfortable with him, so he will leave that area, he will move towards another city. Same bad thinking and same bad attitude he will show to the people, so the people will also feel frustrated from him. Once again, as a result, he will leave that particular area. Then he will go to other countries, one country, other country, another country, east, west, north, south, everywhere he's traveling, but he has no place in any country just because of his tongue, just because of his bad manners. But how strange is this? How beautiful is this? A person who is living in a cave, a person who is living in a small hut, a person is living in a small mud home, mud house, but people from all over the world are traveling to him and meeting with him and making themselves enlightened by his knowledge, by his thinking, by his ideas, by his thoughts, by his efficiency, by his quick reply of their question which he's telling them. It's basically a difference. When you feel light within you, so if you're sitting in a small room, if you're sitting into the cave, the knowledge will reveal on you. But if you're traveling all over the world, but your heart is full of darkness, so you will not be able to get the light within you. So you have to remove your ego, egotism, jealousy, bad and wrong competition, and hating other people, and suppressing other people, showing yourself that I'm glorified. Don't glorify yourself. Glorification is not good for us. All glory to the Allah, because God, He has praise, and all praises are for God, who is omnipotent, who is omnipresent, who is almighty, who is all powerful. So He has such praises, not we people. We are just normal and ordinary people, but we can make ourselves good, positive by our right attitude. So I was talking that when we travel towards Western world, in West, there's a homesickness. Like people are traveling to America. So who knows, in America they're facing the same situation. No one is telling actually what he's facing there. Everyone is just showing his good pictures. For example, no one in this world you see, he show his sad picture to other people, very few people, because they're true people and they tell each and every activity which is passing on their personality. That's why they're sharing with others in order to teach and in order to groom them. But as other people, they scare and they show you about what is not real. They're showing you the happy moments, happy pictures, but sad memories. So that's why most of the people, when they go to America, they go to abroad, they tell you the colorful picture, the bright aspects. They are not telling you the negative aspects. So when the people are not telling you the negative aspects, means they are hiding, they are not telling the truth, they are manipulating the truth. So I've seen there are many people in the US, they go, they travel, they live there. How much luck will support them? In this world, everyone is not a king, everyone is not a prince, everyone is not knowledgeable, everyone is not lucky, everyone is not having the opportunity. So it's in between, means this is zigzag. Few people, they get success, and their success, there is no hand of themselves, but it's in their destiny. There are many people who are doing non-stop work for getting the success, but they are not able to get or achieve it. So it's written in their destiny. So never ever fight with your destiny. Leave yourself on the flow of water. Sometimes the flow of water of time is very important for all of us. That's why I'm saying to you that you have to learn, you have to understand, you have to focus yourself on the things. You're watching the people who are most luxurious people. They have utilities also. They have also big attentions. They have the big factories. They have the big empires which they have made for themselves, and they're living in their kingdom and their empires. They're maintaining that. They are investing a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of tension. They are thinking, and they are also having a lot of doubt. Maybe someone will give me the poison, someone will kill me. All things which are collected in a shape of money, material. So they are looking after such things. So I will call them their watchmen. Yeah, exactly, they are watchmen. When you have excess of everything is bad. Earlier I mentioned to you, when you have much and maximum money, it's not giving you the comfort. Actually, you're taking care of your money. Means you're a watchman. You're a security guard of your own money. If any person who moved to America, who moved to West, who moved to Gulf countries, who is in his country, everyone is facing the same situation. In big countries, there's a big problems. In medium countries, there are medium problems. And in small countries, there are small problems. I have to tell you, in mountainous areas, there's a less problem compared to the city areas. Because I can tell you, because this is my own experience, when you totally cut off from society, when you are not having a lot of opportunities, so your life is comfortable. The first thing is comfort. What you will do with that technology, with that degree, with that money, with that name, fame, all those things where you acquired, you achieved, but that's not able to give you the peace. What will you get? You'll get nothing. You will just in more tension. So difference are there. If you're living in East, you're thinking about West. Western people are thinking about East. Same North people are thinking about South. South people are thinking about North. No one is happy with his or her own life. Everyone wants to taste of another person's life, which might be the most bitter. What they imagine, that it will be very good and for all these things. No, not at all. You have to be happy with your life. You have to be happy with your present situation, your current position, your current condition. So try to be happy in less. Otherwise, for more and more, your greed level will increase, and that greediness is a curse. It will make your life like a hell. So in my next lecture, I would like to elaborate about brain drain. Is it a pain or is it a gain? What are the consequences behind the brain drain? So what is the brain drain? In my next lecture, I will elaborate it in detail. I will tell you the consequences of globalization and brain drain. Maybe I'll talk about both chapters in one video, or maybe I'll explain it in different videos. So thanks again, and thanks a lot once again for tolerating me. I'm so glad you listened to me. I'm so glad my eyes are on you, and your eyes are also on me. So vice versa. May God bless you. Stay blessed. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. See ya.